They don't know the YouTube video. Today we are going to be doing an overnight challenge in the tornado shelter. My neighbor moved out of their house next door and they had a tornado shelter, so I found out a way to get in there and we're going to be doing an overnight challenge. So for y'all people that say that's not really an overnight challenge, let me show you what time it is. Right now it is 8:33. It's not quite dark yet, but it's dark enough. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is their backyard. That's our tornado shelter over there, and these people moved out. As you can see, they used to have a big old shed right here, and they used to have trailers everywhere. So let's go. Okay, guys, so we're here. This is tornado shelter. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Let's go. Oh snap! Dang, that was loud. Shoot, let's just go in.
No, I'm not going.
You're not gonna go in? Come on, dude. Quit being a little girl. Just do it. I'll give you a tag. Okay, so we're gonna be staying in here overnight. Come on. Oh god. Okay, so we got a weed eater, an electric weed eater. We got some golf clubs. We got a chat. Oh. Guys, what if that's a body bag? What if that has a body in it? No, I'm just messing. Come on. You're not scared? My heart is pumping right now because you never know what's in here. Alright? Come on, guys. We don't even have a flashlight on. We all need our flashlights on. Okay, this looks sort of weird. What is that? There's a light bulb. Look around the corner. Is there anything? Okay, let's go, guys. It's all clear. What the f? There's a fucking toilet in here. They got spare water. What the heck? And what is this? What is this? If any of y'all know what this... If any of y'all know what this is, comment down in the comment section below. Alright, so we got some good boxes here. And we got some curtain racks, so let's get comfortable, guys. Okay, so I'll see y'all back once it's nighttime. Okay guys, it is right now. It is 7 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock in the morning. It is very creepy. We keep on hearing noise in the house. So what the? Yo, the outlet looks messed up. Yo. Is that blood? Is that blood? No, it's fine. Open the toilet. What's in the toilet? Open it.
No, I'm not.
Zach, let's open it. It's all down there. Freak. The toilet's underground. They got some water. We brought extra supplies of water in here so we can have something to drink. We forgot about the food. And it's alright, we'll just wake up early in the morning and remember and go get it. Yo, somebody cut the plug on this. They used to plug in right there, I guess. Then we got I guess this is where there's a breeze, and then that's where that goes up the little spout.
That's where they come from.
Yo, bro. Yo, what the Yo, there's hand marks. I just barely noticed these hand marks. Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay guys, this spider right there, it went inside that machine, but that spider scared the living crap out of me. So, there's a bag over there on the side, we're gonna go open it, right? It is currently 7 a.m. in the morning, so we stayed here overnight. Let's open the bag.
No, I'm not.
It's just a dolly. Okay, guys, let's go. Go.
Let's go buy the food.
Oh, we gotta watch our back. Okay, guys, bye. Before we end this video, be sure to go down and like and subscribe. And bye, guys.